Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to launch your own online store without worrying about inventory, packaging or shipping? Say hello to Doba, the ultimate B2B dropshipping platform that connects you with top quality US-based suppliers and over 700,000 products all managed from one smart dashboard. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned e-commerce pro, Doba helps you simplify sourcing, automate order processing, and scale your business effortlessly. In this video, I'll show you how Doba works, why it's a game changer for dropshipping, and how you can use it to start making money online even if you're a complete beginner. So stick around and let's get started. Once you sign up for an account at Doba, everything you need is right at your fingertips. The notification section keeps you updated with important announcements and site-wide news, plus you can earn extra rewards. Right now, you can get up to $50 for each store you connect, so don't miss out. Once your products are listed and your stores are connected, you're ready to start selling. New orders will automatically sync in the purchase order section, making order management seamless. Your monthly sales performance, including GMV and total orders, is tracked in the report section, helping you analyze and optimize your business. Doba Elite Academy provides expert insights and strategies to help you maximize your dropshipping success, plus the curated list and selected for you sections offer personalized product recommendations based on your preferences and market trends, ensuring you always have access to the best products for your store. When you click on the stores icon, you'll see all your connected stores displayed here. For example, my Shopify store is currently showing as connected. Now let me show you how to connect your store here from scratch. Now click on Connect a New Store. This allows quick integration with platforms like eBay, Shopify, Wix with just one click. For Amazon and Walmart, manual product uploads are required. By connecting your store, you unlock automated inventory syncing, audit processing, and real-time tracking, streamlining your operations for effortless growth. To connect Shopify, go to your Shopify dashboard and click Install. Once installed, Doba will automatically handle inventory syncing, OT processing, and tracking, making your drop shipping operations smooth and hassle-free. Once your store is connected, products sync in real time, eliminating manual updates and ensuring a seamless experience. Adding products to your inventory is just as easy. Simply select a product and click Add to Inventory List. To boost sales, use relevant keywords in product titles for better SEO visibility. Once added, the product appears in your inventory list ready to be managed. You can either download products for manual uploads or click List to store, letting Doba take care of everything automatically. Doba's affiliate program is another great way to earn extra income. You can find it in the left-hand column of the dashboard. Simply copy and share your unique referral link on social media with friends or via email. Doba even provides ready-to-use promotional text to help you get started effortlessly. Doba offers flexible pricing plans tailored to different business needs. Whether you're just starting out or scaling to an enterprise level, you'll have access to powerful tools for seamless inventory management, automated fulfillment, and business growth. With its automation, extensive supplier network, and ease of use, Doba makes dropshipping simple, scalable, and profitable. If you're serious about starting or growing your dropshipping business, Doba is a platform you don't want to miss. And that's how easy it is to get started with Doba and take your dropshipping business to the next level. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.